Welcome everyone. My name is Nathanael John Gotama and I come from Computer Science major, School of Computer Science, Binus University. And today I'm going to represent my team to present about our research, which is CanEat, Canteen Food Ordering Services. My team consists of me, Nathanael John Gotama, Russell William Ardian, Vincent Liman, and Erwin Kangnata. Our project is also supervised by Mr. Rico San and Mr. Felix Indra Kurniadi. So today we're going to discuss about our introduction to our application, our research method, research result, and our conclusion. So it is found that the economic growth post-COVID-19 epidemic has resulted in the increased number of crowd from office and academic institutions. From those crowd increasing in its canteen, unorganized crowd will form quite a lot of queue time and will end up in queue disorder. People will always then start to look for other solutions, such as online food or delivery services, such as GrabFood or GoFood. But that proposes another problem, which that canteen vendors will then lose its main source of income because of online food ordering services' popularity and appeal. So we propose a solution which is a web-based application using ASP.NET Core MVC that can be used to organize food ordering services in Canteen. This application will then be implemented as an on-demand services that school and office can utilize. So what are the main appeals of CanEat? So first of all, we have a queue scheduling system, which our customer can pre-order their food ahead of time and notify them to the canteen vendor. And for the canteen vendor, they can look and sort the order from the latest order to fulfill. Next is the reminder feature, at which after scheduling an order, customer will then be notified whenever the order is ready to be picked up. Next is the digital payment, that the payment will be done 100% online, so no queuing for payment is needed. Next is the research method. For this, we use a waterfall software development lifecycle because it is a linear process development, which means each step of development can only occur once, and this software development only occurs in a small project or a quick one. And in this case, we have a requirement getting phase, which we gather our user requirement survey, design phase, where we design UI and database model, implementation phase, implement the UI design and database model into code, and next is the testing phase, where we conduct a usability testing survey to check functionalities of the program, and lastly is the maintenance phase, wherein we implement future additional features after finishing the product development, which we haven't done yet. Next is the research result. So in this case, we gather a questionnaire about user requirement from vendors and customers, which result in two kinds of graphs over here, which we pick digital payment features, scheduling and pre-order features, and also reminder features to be in our program. Next is the use case diagram. In this case, we have three actors, which is customer, vendors, and admins. Three of them can register and log in to the application. While customers, they can view their vendors at the company they reside in. They can also view the menus from said vendors. They can manage their cart, make payment, view receipt, and view status notifications. For vendors, they can view and manage their orders and notify or update order status to the customers whenever their order is ready. They can also view and manage menu and receive their payment. Admin is an additional role which can manage every single components in the system, such as managing customers, vendors, companies, and verifying the vendors to be legit and can sell in our applications. Next, these are the minimum system requirements for our program. As this is a web-based application, we need the web browsers and internet connections to work. And next is the UI UX interface of the program. This is the customer's homepage, where customers can look at the latest transactions or status, and also the list of vendors which they can pick. After picking vendors, these are the menu or the vendor detail page. And these are the cart page for our customers. They can have some scheduling features and also some payment method, and they can check out the orders. Next is the vendor homepage. These are So the display, as you can see over here, they have some details about the customer's order that haven't been fulfilled yet. And vendors can also notify whenever the order is ready to be picked up by customers. And next is the vendor shop info page. It is quite the same as the vendor detail from the customers, but with added features such as add dish button, delete, and update. And lastly, this is the admin's homepage where we can verify the vendors and also creating, updating, viewing, and deleting the vendors, companies, and customers of the system. Next is our usability testing. For our usability testing, we use System Usability Skill Test, or SUS, to our 20 respondents, which resulted in this frequency distribution table. After that, the score from each section is then summed, where odd number questions have the scale of 0 to 4, and even number ones from the score of 4 to 0. This results in the score of 627. And next will be processed into this formula, which is 627 times the 2.5 divided by 20, which results in 78.375, which considered to be above average. So, a canteen food ordering services called CanEat has been developed to ease and organize food ordering in canteen. It offers a pre-order and scheduling system to organize food ordering, as well as an online payment feature to efficiently reduce queue time in paying for orders. This application will benefit most for customers in an academic or office institution settings where their canteen might be disorganized. In future development, researchers may implement more features recommended by the user requirements respondents, such as categorizing dishes, delivery system, and chatting usability. Next is our references that we use in developing this program. So, thank you for listening. My name is Nathan John Gautama, and see you later.